Hi, so for today we are going to talk about work problems involving rational equation. So, ang work problem, isa siyang type ng problem na ginagamitan ng rational equation kapag sumasagot. So, pwedeng ganito yung itsura ng problem natin, o kaya ganito. Okay? That would work naman. Kasi, they are still asking how many hours is the total kapag nag-work sila together. Sana all. Okay. So, before starting, the thing that we have to know is kailangan alam natin paano gumawa ng fraction. Let's say, ako, tatanungin ko yung sarili ko, how many essays can I do per hour? Okay? Ganyan yung fraction niya. So, ayun. Kung saan si R, ayan yung time natin. Okay? Okay. So, ayan. Number one na tayo. Sophia can paint a kitchen in 6 hours and Sky can paint the same kitchen in 7 hours. How long would it take for the both of them to paint the same kitchen together? Okay? Wala lang yung word na same, pero iisa lang naman yung kitchen na tinutukoy dyan. So, ang ibig sabihin ng tanong, kapag nag-work silang dalawa together to paint that kitchen, ilang hours kaya yung total niya? Okay? Kung mas mabilis ba siya o mas mabagal kesa dun sa individual time nila. So, yun yung tinatry nating i-figure out. So, ang formula dito, or yung fraction natin dito is K over R's. Kung saan, ito yung time natin. Time. Okay? So, ayun. Tapos, ang next na natin gagawin is kukunin natin yung work rate ni Sophia pati ni Sky. Okay? So, si Sophia daw, isang kitchen per 6 hours. Si Sky daw, isang kitchen per 7 hours. Tapos, tinatanong, how long would it take for the both of them to paint the kitchen together? So, isang kitchen pa rin, tapos nawawala daw si R. Okay? So, ayun. Ngayon, next natin gagawin, ipapag-add natin to. So, 1 over 6 plus 1 over 7 is equal to 1 over t. O, ayan. So, dito pa lang, mukha na siyang rational equation. Ito, mukha na siyang rational equation, diba? So, ayan yung isi-solve natin. Ngayon, bakit plus yung ginamit ko dito? Kasi hinahanap yung total time for the both of them. Okay? So, ayan. Next natin gagawin is kunin natin yung LCD ng denominator by getting yung common monomial. So, lista muna natin. Use the 6 we have here. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, etc. Sa 7, meron tayong 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, etc. Okay? Kung mapapansin natin, meron na tayong monomial. Kumbaga, para sa monomial. And kung ano yung pinakamaliit na common monomial, yun yung LCD natin, which is si 42. Therefore, our LCD is 42. Okay? So, ngayon, imomultiply na natin yung equation natin by 42. Tama. Imomultiply na natin yun by 42. So, ganito nyo siya isulat pag nalilito kayo. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan nyo ng bracket para alam na minumultiply yan. Tapos, imomultiply siya sa numerator. Okay? Ganyan. Ngayon, i-divide nyo na. 42 divided by 6, that is 7. So, 1 multiplied by 7 plus 42 divided by 7, that is 6. Tapos, 42 divided by t, that is 42t. Okay? Ayan siya. Next, i-simplify lang natin to. 7 times 1, that is 7. Plus 1 times 6 is 6. Tapos, tama ba? Okay. Tapos next is 1 times 42t. So, that is 42t. Okay? So, ayan. 7 plus 6, that is 13, is equal to 42t. Tapos, divide natin both sides by 42. Lagay nyo to sa calculator nyo. Ang lalabas dyan is t is equal to 3.23 hours. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag si Sky pati si Sophia nagpaint nung parehas na kitchen na yon together, total time nila is 3.23 hours. Dito naman tayo sa number 2. Parehas na naman to, okay? Pero dito gamit na kayo ng calculator kasi may mga decimal. Okay. So, okay, babasahin ko muna. Sam can beat a video game in 4 hours. Sarah can beat the same game in 3.5 hours. If they team up, how long will it take for them to beat the game? Ibig sabihin, nagkaroon sila ng competition. Si Sam, nanalo ng video game 4 hours. Si Sarah, natapos yung video game ng 3.5 hours. Pag daw naging magkakampi sila, ilang hours daw kaya yung like how long will it take for them to finish the game kapag nagkampihan na silang dalawa? Yun yung tinatanong dito. So, ibig sabihin, yung fraction natin is 1 video game per hour. Kasi hours pa rin naman yung unit dito eh. Tapos, ayun. So, kunin muna natin yung kay Sam. Tapos, next is yung kay Sarah. So, si Sam daw, isang video game per 4 hours. Yung kay Sarah daw, isang video game per 3.5 hours. Okay, so ganyan siya. How long will it take for them to beat the game daw kung nagkampihan sila? So, ibig sabihin, ganyan yung itsura ng equation natin. Okay? Bakit plus? Kasi nagkampihan si Sam pati si Sarah. Kaya ito yung ano natin. Yung equal. Okay. So, ayan na. Tanggalin ko muna to. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin natin dito, meron na tayong rational equation. So, eto, pwede na natin siyang isolve. Okay? So, kunin muna natin yung LCD nung dalawa nating denominator. Meron tayong 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, etc. Tapos, sa 3.5 naman, meron tayong 3.5, 7, 10.5, 14, 17.5, 21, 24.5, 28, etc. Kung nagtataka kayo saan to galing, i-multiply nyo lang sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hanggang sa magkaroon kayo ng parehas na number doon sa nakalista dito. Okay? At ang pinakamaliit na similar na multiple is C24. Ito nga lang, 24.5. Pero, okay yan. Pasok pa rin yan. So, ibig sabihin, yung LCD natin is 24.5. Okay? So, ayan na siya. Next is i-multiply natin yung buong equation by 24.5. So, i-rewrite ko lang lahat to para mas organize yung solution. Okay, ayan. Tapos, lagay na natin to sa denominator. 24.5, 24.5, tapos 24.5. Okay? Next is, bababa ko lang si 1, tapos divide natin. Gamit kayo calculator. 24.5 divided by 4, that is 6.125 plus 24.5 divided by 3.5, that is 7. Tapos, ako lang si 1. 24.5 divided by t is 24.5t. Okay? Next. Simplify na natin to. 1 times 6.25, that is 6.125 pala. Sorry. 1 times 6.125 is 6.125. Tapos, 1 times 7 is 7. Tapos, 24.5t multiplied by 1 is 24.5t. Tapos, add lang natin to. Add lang natin sila. 6.125 plus 7, that is equal to 13.125 is equal to 24.5t. Okay? And then dividing both sides by 24.5. Lagay nyo yan sa calculator nyo. Maka-cancel to. So, we'll be left with t is equal to 1.866. Tapos, round off lang natin. That would become 1.87 hours. Okay? So, ayan na siya. Ayan na yung final answer natin. Dito pala, okay, huwag niyo kakalimutan yung yung ganito. Hours, yan. Saka dito. Okay? So, ayun lang naman. Ganyan yung work problems involving rational equations.